Today on Mana's Kitchen, we will make the ultimate vegetarian stew, artichoke with peas. The savory flavor of artichokes with the fresh sweetness of peas create a truly satisfying meal. But unlike the traditional recipe, we're adding carrots and potatoes to add more depth to this dish. The sweetness of the carrots complements the earthiness of the potatoes, which provide a satisfying texture. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button to get notified when I post new recipes.